NEET examination in the country is one of the most looked after and sought after the examination for every student. For every student who wants to become doctor or pursue anything in medical stream has only one examination as a gateway. That examination is NEET examination. Like every year in the month of May, first week, first Sunday, this examination is conducted. So this year, 3rd May, exam was conducted. When all the students finish their preparation, because it is not the exam which is just taken for one time by the students. Most of the students, they take this examination after 12th. That is the first time they can take the examination. But there are so many students. There are lakhs of students who write this examination with taking a year drop, or they take 2 years drop. There are many cases which even I know in so many states that is a trend, that the students take 3 years, 4 years drop also. So what we are talking about 24 lakh students in the country, one of the largest examination, which is a pen and paper based examination conducted across the country at the same day, same time. The students finished the examination. Compared to last year, the paper was little easy, not very easy. It was moderate level. Many did well, many had tough time. So everybody actually went back to their homes. They did their calculations. They said that I think I did good. Many hugged their parents, and there were few who were thinking that next year I have to prepare better. But suddenly on 12th May, NTA comes out and says that we are cancelling the examination. We are going to do the examination again. What is this we are talking about? This is not the first time something of this kind has happened. What we have seen 2 years back, a much horrifying story where there was examination conducted 2 times. Many students secured. We all know the kind of score which they secured. And why this is happening? India is, yes, a populous country of 140 crore people. But this NEET examination is a mammoth task for the country, for the agency to conduct this kind of examination. Yes, we understand, but this is not just we are the only one who are conducting this kind of examination. Look how, if you look at the examination conducted in China, almost 13 million students write the examination. We have never heard about this kind of stories. Paper leak, re-examination. For anybody from NTA, it is very easy to say that we are going to conduct the examination again. We are cancelling the examination altogether. But as an educator, where I run group of educational institution, and primarily we are famous. Falcon Group is famous for our NEET results. Karnataka's best, South India's best, one of the best results we secure every year. So we also have hundreds of students who appear examination every year. So suddenly when this news came, I started getting calls. Frantic parents started calling me, telling, "Sir, what is this? What are we hearing? Is it true or is it some fake news?" Nobody could believe. The students started crying. Parents started crying. They are telling what is going to happen for their children, because nobody knows what is going to happen again. There are so many instances where children have written the examination, then they went back to their natives. There are students who have come from Bihar, from different parts of the country. They went back to their places. What do we do? That one father is telling me, "I have put in everything, whatever I had, for the preparation of this NEET examination. In last 2 years, my child did her best. After the examination, I sent her back to my native, Bihar. Now suddenly the exam is cancelled. We don't get any train tickets back to come back. She doesn't have any books. What do we do? We are stressed out because my life, my family's dreams are at stake. What all we wanted is this, that my child should do well, and she had done really well. And we were dreaming, we are so happy, we were praying, and suddenly this thing happened. If something goes wrong to me or to my wife or to the child who's responsible, is what parent is asking me. And it is just not this one parent. I am telling it to you. See, it is very easy to read something on a teleprompter, call it man ki baat. when you say that children should not be stressed out. When are we, what stress we are talking about? We are giving something of this kind of uncertainty to a child of the age of 17, 18-year-old child. How can you imagine that child going through this kind of uncertainty, anxiousness? There are children who are gonna go under depression. But what is this all about? Why am I here in front of you all? I have come here with one message. We can pinpoint to the inefficiency in the agencies. We can call NTA, the way the NTA is handling things, or the people who are running the NTA, or the entire government, the way things are happening. We can blame them, we can do all that. But this interaction is not to pinpoint and put the blame to the government, because nothing we are going to achieve out of it. This is all about an one-to-one interaction which I wanted to do with every parent and every student who's listening to me out there, because this is the moment. I'm telling it to every parent that you have to stand by your child with your son or your daughter. I know this is the most difficult time your daughter is going through. I know the kind of tension she must be in. I know that boy who has done his best in last so many nights, so many months, and suddenly whatever performance he had done suddenly just called is cancelled, and suddenly he has to again appear, and we don't know what kind of situation is going to be for that child whenever the examination is going to be conducted. And even now, when the date is not fixed, because we don't know, NT has not announced the date of the examination, that uncertainty is still causing much more worry for the children. I want to talk to every parent. This is your moment to stand by your child. Tell that child nothing to worry. My request to every child, I know this is a difficult time. I know this is the most disturbing and anxious time which you are going through. But I want you all to find in this challenging time an opportunity for you. What kind of opportunity I'm talking about? Yes, this is what it is. Nobody can change the situation. Nobody can go back and do anything about it. But what we can do is, whatever time is available, let it be 15 days, 1 month, but what I foresee, it is going to be a month minimum. 1 month time it will take for NTA to reconduct the examination. But what is that we are going to do? Every second counts from here on. Because yes, you did your best last 2 years, last 3 years, or few students might have spent 4 years continuously rigorous preparation. But if something goes wrong in this 1 month, your last 4 years or the entire career, education journey of yours of last 15 years maybe is at stake. Don't let it. In the next 1 month, how you utilize? First of all, you have to first control all those unwanted thoughts. You have to just remove them. Give it a fresh start. Give it a chance to yourself. Keep a target for yourself. How can you overperform yourself or outperform your own earlier performance, which you have already done it on 3rd May. The challenge is with yourself. If you had, with the provisional, that answer key which you have seen, if you have got 610 or 590, keep a target. How can I get 660 or 620? Just keep a tough task for yourself. Start putting the efforts. For parents, give that support. This is the time to support your children. And I am not speaking from as a chairman of Falcon Group. Though I have this responsibility for every Falcon student, every Falconite, but this message is for every student, irrespective of whether you have studied at Falcon before or not. Falcon, in this testing time of the children, we are opening our doors of Falcon to every child who's listening out there. In case if you are an aspirant, if you are a NEET aspirant, you had written the NEET on 3rd May and you are appearing for the NEET again, the doors of every branch of Falcon is open for you without a single penny cost. You will get total complete 1 month plan we have made, where children will get test series. It is designed such a way that full length test series, first 3 days gap will be there, then first 2 days gap in the first 3 tests, then 1 day gap will be there, then there will be continuous test will be there. After every test you will get results, your analysis of your performance, how many questions you did correct, how many wrong, how many you left, what is your performance compared to other students. Then after that there will be paper discussion after every test by the experts. That is all available. But there are so many students whom I know cannot travel from different parts of the country to Falcon, to the doors of Falcon. For every other student there is an opportunity. If you want a pen and paper based preparation, join this link which is given at the back, at the down, or call on the number. You will get you can fill the application. You can join our crackathon, NEET crackathon program, which we have started. It is the booster program. Whatever preparation you have done, now this is going to boost your performance in this. If you are sitting, let's say, in whichever place of the Karnataka is, you will get your question paper every day, but it is going to be self-monitored by you. You will get an OMR also. You have to take the test, send your OMR. Rest of the things is gonna same. You will get your result analysis. You will get the experts doing the paper discussion every day after the test is done online. However, if you want not pen and paper, this online you want, then that is also available. We will do whatever is possible from Falcon side. Just ensure that you are not feeding into some rumors. Don't get into any panic mode. Nothing to worry. Yes, whatever has happened. We have to move forward. We have to find an opportunity in every challenge, and that is a sign of a winner and achiever. And I want each one of you to have that mindset of a winner, and that is what is going to take you forward, not sitting and crying about the situation.